Young bangs got came straight for the bitch. Back 10, lay him on the floor like a mattress. Young bangs died in the Olympics. Straight fucking bitch. Got the chopsticks with his dicks. Holes on my dick cause I look like Matlock. Bitch, kiss my radio, baby daddy is a mascot. Holes on my dick cause I'm white like Afro. Bitches on my dick cause my real chop like applesauce. Fuck with his costing, flossing, bossing. 6-figure rings and your bitch wanna talk to. Ride with no mask on, that pussy take that hanky face. Boy talk that line and I'm gonna hit him with the laser. That's where it's wrong, he suck my dick, then I race her. Take your ass on my ring,
oh shit, bro. I got pancake grease on my laptop, bro.
In
the kitchen. Cooking up that shit, bro. Cooking up that shit, bro. In the kitchen, bro.
Suck my dick, ho. I don't wanna try to eat. Hoes on my dick, west side bitch. Suck my fucking dick, bitch. I'm rich like a trick, bitch. I look like Ben and Jerry, chain like canary. 5 on my hoe, she suck my dick cause I read it. 20 on my dick and I might just be impaired. That both my caliber, make you look like Fran Drescher. Sex with your bitches, and gang so cozy. Your bitch look nasty, she look like James Posey. My main bitch with the Glock and the Tic Tac. Kid on my dick and my girlfriend purse. Bitch suck my dick cause I look like a surgeon. Kid on my dick that gets my ass on purpose. So my main bitch that she works with spanker. That's my main bitch if she hungry. Spanker. Such a 10 bars and I ain't talking about a raise. Your bitch is on my hip and I ain't talking about that page. Your bitch suck my dick cause I look like dog shit. My Ocean Free Court, I look at that bitch cause I'm the man. Yeah, nigga, bass. Black kid, nigga. Black kid, nigga. Hey, bro, bass guys, you feel me? Feel me? Hey, man, Black Kid dropping. Raining is coming soon. Hey, got the new album dropping soon. Dropping mixtapes on y'all niggas, bro. Hey, I got 250.
Fuck you niggas, bro. Fuck you niggas, bro. It's Lil B, nigga. Lil B for little bars, nigga. Host of my dick cause I talk like I'm Texas, nigga.